Hello? Hi.
You alright?
Are you?
Yeah, not too bad, thank you.
Filming.
What are you filming for? Anything exciting?
Not yet.
Not
are you
yet.
Are you exciting?
I don't know, am I?
Could you identify?
Sorry?
Could you identify
Identify what?
yourself?
I don't need to, do I? Hello, you alright?
Do you not? I think you do when a member of the public asks you to identify. You should really.
You can see my warrant number. You can see my warrant
Is that how you would identify to a judge?
To a judge?
Yeah. Would you just do that? Would you?
That's a bit different though, isn't it?
Well, why is it different? You serve the public.
Yeah,
Do you not?
You're not a judge, are you?
I'm certainly not a judge.
Well, there we go then, so I don't have to.
I'm a member of the public though, and you
So
serve
if you
the
ask me
public.
nicely what my name is.
What's your name, miss?
My name?
Yes.
My name's Ali.
Okay. Nice.
Alright?
Cool.
Okay, cool. So what are you doing?
Making a video.
What are you making a video for?
Brighton police station video.
Police station video.
I like the colourful cars. I don't think that. Yeah.
Not too bad, is it?
Yeah.
Do you have any ID on you at all?
No. Why would I?
Well, just because you're taking a video of the police station and I'm not wondering why.
Is that a problem?
It can be.
Why could it be?
Why?
Yeah. How can it be a problem? What can I possibly do?
Well, what do you think? This current day and age.
What current day and age?
Okay. Can you just not film my face for a minute?
No, I
please?
will film your
No, I
face.
don't need to film my face.
Yeah, well, you
because
shouldn't
as
move
much as
forward.
you have a right of way as a member of the public,
Yeah.
I am also a member of the public.
Okay, I'm filming for public.
That's
You should
absolutely
know that
fine, but you don't need to film my face.
I
Carry
will
on
film
filming
your.
that
I
way.
will film your face.
No, don't film my face.
What are you gonna do?
Do you have ID on
What are you gonna do about it?
Okay, under Section 1 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act, I require you.
Section 1 of PACE.
Yeah.
That's a search power actually.
It is a search power.
So what are you searching
Currently, well, at the moment.
So am I
you're-
detained?
No, I haven't said you're detained.
All right, guys, buckle up, because from the very first seconds this encounter turns into a chess match of rights, authority, and quick thinking. The auditor starts casually, but the officer immediately tries steering the interaction by asking what he's filming and whether he has ID. The problem? She's asking with confidence but not with legal accuracy. In the UK, you don't need ID just because you're filming a police station. That's where the tension sparks. One side armed with a camera, the other with assumptions, and both about to lock horns over who actually knows the law.
Not making any mistakes
why
now,
are
yeah?
why are you videoing me?
Because I want to.
Because you want to.
So you were saying something about Section 1 of PACE. Let me hear that.
Okay, no, you carry on. You want to talk, obviously.
No, I want to hear you talk about
So, what questions do you have for us?
police code of practice. Let me hear about the PACE.
No, I don't want to.
Yeah, no, you were saying something about Section 1. No, let's hear about that. Let's hear about that. Yeah, I'm gonna film your face.
What I'll do, I'll film my face. That's
Yeah, I will.
fine. I'm going to go this way now, and I'm just going to go to the supervisor. Are you alright just monitoring? Yeah.
Monitoring what?
So you don't come in the police station?
I know, you've got signage, so I won't come in, it's fine. There's signage there, so there's no implied right of access.
If someone's filming for security reasons, we have to come.
Don't be a bully like her, please.
I'm not being
I know,
bully.
but you should. I know, you absolutely. I know you're not. I'm just saying.
It's a security.
Okay, how am I breaching your security? You see how she tried to apply a bit of pressure, and when I wasn't having it, she backpedaled quickly. So that's a sign of a bully. Do you understand? You know what a bully? A bully will pick on someone until they kind of fight back, and then they won't. So I'm not implying that you are. I'm just saying, learn from that and make sure you never act like that with them.
The moment the officer invokes Section 1 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act, everything shifts. She says it with authority, but that confidence is misplaced. Section 1 allows stop and search based on reasonable suspicion of stolen or prohibited items, not to demand ID and not because someone is filming. The auditor immediately challenges her, and you can see the change in her tone. When the law gets brought back to its actual meaning, her stance weakens. It's a classic moment where an officer relies on pressure instead of accuracy and gets caught.
Would you mind identifying yourself?
Yeah, my name's Alicia, and my shoulder number's there.
Okay. Hello, Alicia. So these are the police fitness standards as well, by the way. So am I being detained or anything?
What do you mean, police fitness standards?
I'm just assessing standards.
I think you're just here to cause trouble.
Okay.
So literally, why else would you got better things to do today than just
No.
film a police station?
No. So if I was to run away, do you reckon you could catch me?
I wouldn't chase you.
So am I being detained? Can I go? You don't want to answer questions, though. Alright. So I wasn't meaning to be rude. I just thought that there would be... you know, higher sort of fitness requirement. Look at the state of these, like.
Can you just stand back of the boundary, please? You're not in a public right away there. You're in the police station. You can get arrested for trespass.
You sure? What offence is that?
Go back to.
What offence is trespass?
Go back on.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I'm allowed to touch you to remove you from property.
Trespass is not an offence. You can't.
Film as much as you like, but you don't come over that boundary there, because then you're in the police station. You can be arrested for trespass. No.
Trespass.
I'm gonna just.
By now, you can tell the officer's strategy is to overwhelm with terminology and tone rather than real legal grounds. When asked to explain her earlier claim, she tries to avoid the conversation entirely. The auditor keeps pressing, asking her to restate her Section 1 reasoning, and she completely backs away. Then she switches tactics, mentioning security reasons, hopping that angle sticks. The exchange shows what happens when authority is based on intimidation rather than clarity. She retreats the moment she realizes he isn't folding.
You over this little piece of
No,
tarmac.
I'm going now. You stay on the pavement.
Okay.
You're absolutely fine.
You can't arrest me for trespass. Yeah, you're dismissed. Go away, weirdo.
I need to arrest you because you're not doing it.
Yeah, what was that about Section 1 of pace? Yeah, you bottled it. Yeah, you bottled it. You bottled it. You bottled it. Yeah, I will enjoy my video, and I'll come back on. I'll come back on your property as well.
Can you get back out of the police station, please?
What? I'm literally. What difference does it make if I'm stood there or here?
I'm going to say this to you once and once
Right.
only. This is a public domain, okay?
Yeah, I know.
This
it is.
wall-
And I can film your face in public
Yeah,
as
you
well.
can film my. Well, I'm not in public at the moment, though, am I? I'm in
I
the
can
police
film you there
station.
as well.
Right.
Anything I can see from public.
Right, instead of talking over me, can you please listen?
I'm listening.
Okay. You can stand in the public domain.
You can't
which
arrest
is
me
on
for
this wall.
trespass either. You'll be sued if you do that.
Well, try and
There's
see
what
then,
offence?
that's
What
fine.
offence? What offence is
I'm saying
trespass?
to you, you cannot come into the police station, okay? This is the pavement of the public domain. You can stay there, that's absolutely fine.
Right, dismissed. Bye, weirdo.
We've got paperwork.
You're a weirdo, man. Go away.
We've got better stuff to do.
Yeah, you don't though. You don't. Your supervisor gave you advice and now you backpedaled. What's going on? Can you have a word with that lady, please?
What's going on?
Can you identify her?
Yeah. So what happened? I mean, I just walked by, so my colleague-
She tried to say that I couldn't film. She tried to put her hands on me.
Okay.
She tried to threaten me with Section 1 of pace. She tried to tell me that I could be arrested for trespassing. As you know, trespass is a civil matter, so lots of mistakes, lots of things that probably could have been handled a lot better.
Could I just go back? I mean, what is the reason why?
I'm
you're
just filming.
For what? Like, are you a blogger or?
It doesn't matter. I don't need to have a reason, to be fair.
Okay. So
But we're not going to be petty over whether I'm standing here or here, are we?
Obviously, my obviously.
Can I see your designation card quickly? Yeah, I'm listening.
Designation.
Our police officer
Yeah.
colleague just asked if you could step over there.
Yeah, I know.
It's not a lot to ask. I appreciate.
Yeah, and it's not-
You
I'm-
can't
yeah.
film, you're more than
But
welcome to film.
look, what's the difference if I stand there or there? What could I possibly achieve from here? We're just exercising jurisdiction unnecessarily.
I mean, what is the reason why? I mean, are you a blogger? That's what I was.
Can I see your designation card
I mean,
before I
my
engage with you?
designation is PC.
No,
so-
you have a designation card which shows me
My
what powers you
card,
have.
yeah.
No, designation card because you're a PCSO.
We don't carry
Oh,
out.
you should really
powers on our property.
you should really.
Yeah.
This is where the pressure really ramps up. She escalates to claiming he could be arrested for trespass, which is wrong. Trespass is a civil matter unless it becomes aggravated, which requires intent to obstruct lawful activity. This wasn't even close. She physically puts her hands on him, trying to move him, and that's when the auditor calls her out directly. Her bluff collapses instantly. When someone knows the public boundary, signage, and the law better than the officer asserting power, it exposes just how shaky some of these threats really are.
And produce
If you
it.
want to look at our powers, you can go onto something.
No, don't worry. I'm well aware of your powers. I'm just seeing if you're going to follow your policy or not.
I mean, like.
We're going to leave now, okay? You can continue filming.
Yeah, thanks. I will
But if you
continue.
come any further into the police station, what's the police colleagues have to do?
Have to and do what?
It's not about doing. It's about having a mutual respect. Obviously, they have explained.
What mutual respect? I'm not doing anything illegal, am I?
I mean, I asked you politely, like, why are you filming?
Because I want to. I don't need to have a reason.
Just for my curiosity. I mean, what are you a blogger or what is your expectation?
It doesn't matter. Simple as that.
Okay, that's fine.
Doesn't matter. You see, like.
You shouldn't wear that. You're defacing the British flag by wearing that. That's a gang sign. You shouldn't really be wearing that.
Okay, right. We'll go now.
Yeah, have you learned something today?
So we're
You've
gonna
learned a few
draw-
things today, yeah?
Okay. All right, we're going to drop.
And it's a
these-
requirement for you to carry your designation
Yeah,
card.
we have it in our pocket notebook, so we
It's all
have
in
every.
there.
Yeah,
Alright, let me see it.
Yeah, it's not about you.
So a member of the
seeing it,
public's
you know.
asking for it right
Yeah.
now. I'm requiring
Yeah,
you to show me your
if you
designation
go
card.
online, you will be able to see it. But we
I'm not online now, am I? I'm asking
Yeah,
you.
but what I'm saying is, my colleague has explained to you, if you don't step into this private property, you are more than welcome to film on the road, whatever you're doing. I think there is another gentleman who is skateboarding. They are happily doing that. But if you wanted to film in that, that's fine enough. Okay. All right.
Well, we'll see you later.
See you
okay?
later. Bye.
That woman was a definite tyrant, guys. That first one, definite tyrant. Talking about section 1 of PACE and da. She said, under section 1 of PACE, I'm requiring you to identify yourself. I'm like, what are you talking about, bro? Section 1 of PACE. Section 1 of PACE is a stop and search power. This woman's clueless. Basically, one of your colleagues, I was filming. Naturally, she asked me to stop filming. Then she tried to require my ID under section 1 of PACE, and then backpedaled. So I don't think that was good practice, as we're aware. PACE is a stop and search power, right? So I don't know if she was trying to flex, or I don't know what she was doing,
I
but
mean, I can't possibly comment on
course.
because I wasn't there.
you asked me the question, and
I just
yeah.
by the police station.
Yeah, I'm just making a video. Police.
Oh, okay. Do you know what you could do, which might be...
Escorted tour?
What's that?
Can I get an escorted
Do you know
tour?
what? I was going to suggest...
Can I jump in the back?
No, you're not allowed. I'm really sorry. So the reason is we're not insured, sadly.
Okay.
But if you're interested in the police, why don't you go down to the front office and see what they can offer you and what you can do? Because then you
I know where it is, yeah.
So have you been in before?
I've never been here before. This is my first Brighton rodeo.
Oh, okay. Are you from Brighton?
No,
What would you
I'm not required to give names already.
No, you don't have to.
What's your name? Would you mind identifying?
Yeah, of course. I can tell you.
You're very friendly, thanks.
No, that's fine. My name's PC Fraser.
Okay.
But I think if you want to find out about the police and you want to find out about things, if you walk up this hill here and round to the front office, then they'll be able to help you.
To be fair, PC, I'm more interested in exercising my right to film from a public place and not being interfered with. That's more of the point.
Fine, it's obviously if you film in the rear of the police station.
Yes.
There is security concerns.
Okay. Is this not a secure building?
Say again?
Is this not a secure building?
It's a police station.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very secure.
You've got the appropriate signage on there. I understand I don't have an implied right of access, so I'm sticking to the public boundary. Yeah.
Be prepared that you're going to have a lot of officers to know what you're up to.
Would you circulate it so I won't?
Police officers have curiosity if someone's filming the rear of the police.
Why? This is a lawful activity. I wouldn't really expect this to pique anyone's
No,
interest.
We're not going to find out with you. It's be aware of what the police says.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, if this is a police vehicle, if it's a police vehicle, you can see us on the street. You can see us coming out of the station.
Yeah.
Okay. But this is the limit for
Yes.
obvious reasons.
Yeah. So I'm aware of the signage. I can read the signage.
Okay. And if you want to find out more about the police, then obviously go round to the front office and talk to them.
I'm finding out a lot as we speak. Just
that's
by virtue of me
absolutely fine.
filming,
Okay.
I'm learning a lot.
But we will ask you because that's our job.
And you're welcome.
Okay, do you want to give me your name?
No, I'm not going to give no names. No.
All right, well, okay. You might have a busy afternoon with officers speaking.
I hope not.
And just please be mindful, this is a working police station.
Yes.
When officers get responsible to emergencies, they will be able to come out here. They'll have their lights on, you'll see them. But obviously this isn't the greatest place
Yeah.
standing with the cars coming in and out.
Yeah, don't worry. I'm not going to stand in the way of moving traffic. Don't worry about
I
it.
appreciate that, but as I say, I don't really care if you want to film. Police officers get filmed every day. It might be better just over there. You're going to get
All
the
right.
same
Well,
amount,
thanks for your suggestion, but
you're going to get the same amount of coverage.
all right.
You'll be
Okay.
safe.
You'll be safer.
All right. Thanks for looking out for my safety. I'll be able to look after it. Thanks.
I hope you do.
Bye.
All right, bye-bye.
You too, sir.
The final stretch introduces a new officer with a completely different energy. PC Fraser is calm, measured, and professional. He acknowledges the security concerns without inventing laws, and the conversation instantly becomes productive. Even when discussing boundaries, he doesn't threaten, exaggerate, or misstate powers. The auditor explains he's there to exercise rights, not interfere, and the officer respects that. The contrast between officers who know the law and those who rely on pressure becomes undeniable. By the end, the situation stabilizes, not because the public backed down, but because the police finally engaged correctly.